I got these taillights off of Amazon. I'll put the link in my description, but the price, I can't remember the price right now. You'll see it when I put the link. But either way, got these taillights because I'll put up another video of the water coming out. I drilled these holes to let the water out, but I didn't realize when I bought this that right here it's cracked. So I had water up to like here. So the light still works and everything, but every now and then it malfunctions, you know, and it, the blinker doesn't work, so I need to change it. OEM tail light, one of them is like 600 bucks or something like that, and all the used ones I could find just weren't in good enough condition, so I decided to give these a try. So let's see how these look. So removing these, it's just a T25 Torx, 2 of them, and 2 push pins. I just happen to have this from previous purchases from other stuff, and this kind of just lifted this right up, no problem. Just be gentle. So remove those 4, and I think it just popped right off. Let me see. I'm gonna put my phone down. So yeah, it does just come right off. There's these 2 little round tab things that it sits in. Those just come right out. You just unplug it. So my pickup has the blind spot module that's on the back right there. So you have to make sure when you buy these, you have to make sure you get the one that has a spot for it, because there are cheaper models, you know, by the same company that don't have this spot to put that blind spot module. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap those over. This taillight's good, so I'm still gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep both of my taillights, even though that one's cracked. But I'm gonna swap over the module. It looks to be 4 screws, plug it right in, and then I'm gonna put this one up. Before I do all that, let's actually just do a comparison. So, all right, something I like to do on any aftermarket light that I buy is add additional silicone to the seal, because a lot of times the seal is just not good enough and water gets in there. So I added silicone all the way around. It's just some regular bathroom silicone. I just spread it all the way around, and I put it around each screw. So that's just additional security, adds to the longevity of the light, you know, keep the water out, moisture out, all that. So now let's compare how they look. So that's the OEM one, and this is the aftermarket one. They look very similar. The aftermarket one looks a little bit darker, and obviously it doesn't have the RAM, but I like that it's also, thing just aired up. I like that it's gloss black, just like the factory one, because they do have another model that is matte and it's a little cheaper, but looks pretty similar. See the LEDs in there, just like the factory one. It's a very, very close match, very close. So I'm gonna give these a try. Hopefully they're just as bright or brighter. So yeah, let me get this swapped over and installed. So the screws for the module are T20. Unlike the screws that hold the light in that are T25, these are T20. It's just 4 of them, and it's plug and play. The plug is right there. All right, so something I noticed with the aftermarket one, they don't have a little foam gasket like this. Now this shouldn't affect much, but I'm still gonna go online and see if I can buy some just to put them on. They're supposed to go like right here. So the aftermarket ones don't have that. So if you care about that, make sure you look them up and buy some. That little foam thing right there. All right, so the new ones are in. Like I said, they look just like OEM. Just like OEM. Hopefully they function like OEM. Oops, just stepped in some water. Yep. This is them on. It's super bright outside, like the sun is blazing right now, so it's very bright, but you can still see that it's on. Kinda. This one is like directly in the sun, but you can tell it's on still. All right, so this is them off, and we're gonna step on the brake. Step on the brake. Okay, so those are nice and bright. All right, take your foot off. Turn that knob right there. See that knob? Yep, turn it one time. Right there. Alright, that's them on. Now step on the brake. Yeah, so everything's functioning. Put the turn signal on. Nope. Look at me. See the thing right there? Like a handle? Nope, handle by this behind the steering wheel. To your left. This is my nephew, he's like 4. Hold on, let me go turn the signal on. How old are you, Sarah? Yeah, this. That's it. No, don't pull it. Just leave it. Alright, so that's a turn signal. Looks good. Well, don't forget to reattach these. Both sides. And so far, they look good. We'll see how they look at nighttime. I'm gonna wait till it gets darker, then we can see how bright they are. But honestly, as bright as ever right now, and they're pretty bright, so I can imagine at nighttime they're gonna look pretty good. So this is them at night, and it's really bright. I'm at a gas station, but you can see, like, you know, so similar to OEM. They're showing bright and clear, and it's well lit over here. So you can imagine when it's like actually dark out. All right, so now I'm somewhere where it's pitch black, as you can see. So this is them just on. That's just the regular park light, regular on. That's it. So now I'm gonna show you the brake light. Step on the brake. So that's the brake light. It's super bright. Put on the hazards. Now turn signals. Those are very bright too. All right, turn those off. Put it in reverse. Let me back up. And that's the reverse lights. One more time. Those are the reverse lights. So yeah, for some Amazon stuff for a couple $100, not bad.